I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. I'm getting ready to mount the engine hoist. First thing I need to do is get out these bolts. Get them ready to go in. I'm wearing gloves because these pieces of steel are really cold. And because we're doing a trial run on this is the first time I've ever assembled this. I'm just going to spin things up by hand. That way I won't be spending a lot of time going back and forth trying to make things work. Now these bolts are a little bit long. And when I get done doing the final assembly and torque everything down, I'm going to cut these bolts off so that they're flush with the end of the nut. That way I won't be damaging the end of the bolt, and I'll be able to remove them and put them back on a lot easier. Because I expect to be disassembling this from time to time. This is a spare drawbar. I don't use it as a general rule, but you know, if you need to do something, you might want to be able to take that drawbar off of it. That's why I use the drawbar rather than mounting pins into the block. It gives me a little more flexibility. Now, I made this so that I could assemble and disassemble it. Not necessarily going to be an easy process to assemble and disassemble it, but I should be able to do it. Okay, that'll hold it together while I work on it. Hi Sadie, ready to go in? Sadie! Sadie! I need a longer length. Tractor's running cold, but it's working. Settling down a little bit now that it's warming up. Let's see how the hydraulics work. Looks like I got to make another trip to the store. I got to buy a bottle of hydraulic jack oil so that I can get this cylinder filled up. It's completely empty. That's all the oil that it'll put up there. So I'm pumping air into the cylinder. That's why it's bouncing on me so much. Get some oil, fill this thing up, we'll be all set to go. Right now, just the tractor alone would be enough to pick it up high enough to do anything I need. I'm going to be moving a lawnmower out of that little brown shed over there. So I got some bolts to tighten up and a few things to do. I'll be getting back into this tomorrow and hopefully be moving the lawnmower out of that shed. I bet you guys got some suggestions on what I should do with this pump. If you do, put them in the comments, along with any questions about the videos today or any of the other videos. Thanks for watching. I'm going to drive the tractor around and put it in the shed.